How to use Asprova for corona. World-leading factories use Asprova to fight with corona. Set workers and apparatus shifting Asprova. Change workers' work time to avoid infection. Before this demo, please watch the video how to look at Asprova Gantt chart if this is your first time. It's on LinkedIn and YouTube. Background of this demo. This is two-step production. First process, there are 3 machines, M1, M2, M3, and 2 operators. Operator 1 in charge of setup and teardown. Operator 2 in charge of manufacture. He can use 3 machines at once. Second process is assembly. There are 3 groups: worker A group, worker B, worker C. Here's the Asprova Gantt chart. Horizontal axis represents calendar, and vertical axis represents resources, machines, operators, workers. So, first step has 3 machines, M1, M2, M3, and operator 1 and operator 2. And second step has 3 work groups, worker A group, worker B, worker C group. Gray area represents work time, available time. So M1, M2, M3 machines available 24 hours all day. But operator is human, so zoom up. They work 8 to 12, 13 to 17. Also worker group A, B, C work same period like operator. But zoom up. Worker A gray zone divided 5 blocks. This means worker A group has 5 people. 2, 3, 4, 5. Also worker B has 5 workers. Worker C, 5 workers. Go to order table. There are 12 orders. Item A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and due date June 3rd, June 6th, quantity 500, 600, 430. So there are various 12 orders. Back to resource Gantt chart and push reschedule button. Asprova made a schedule composing 2 steps. Focus. First step. Do you remember these green box represent showing setup time and teardown time? So operator 1 is in charge of setup time and teardown times, and operator 2 is in charge of manufacturing. And operator 2 can operate 3 machines at a time. 2 machines. You can see that machines available 24 hours, but these jobs are assigned along with operators' available time. If you move this machine's job by mouse dragging, the operator's work move simultaneously along with this job's move. all the orders are assigned keeping due dates, so no warning on message table. The shift shows that all people work at daytime, 8 to 70, all people. The risk is that all people might be infected with corona at the same time. It's very, very risky. So let's change the shift, fragment the shift. Go to calendar table and shift code operator 0 to 8 and operator 2, 8 to 16, worker A group, worker B, worker C group night, and the shifts are fragmented, and reschedule. The situation has been changed. One order is delayed, so one warning on message table. So how to deal with this delayed order? There are two basic ways to deal with this. One is work with more people. Another is work with more time. So first, work with more people. Please suppose you talk with these three groups, and daytime, worker B, you can have one more people. In that case, go to calendar table and this resource quantity change to 6 people and reschedule. So the problem is fixed. No warning message. So next, try another idea. Work more time. Mouse right click and add override calendar 3 hours and 5 people. So guess that you are talking with worker A group and mouse dragging. Can you accept this overtime work? They accept and the schedule not work well. So dragging here. How about this? Yes, worker A group accept and reschedule. Yes, the delayed order is fixed. Through this demo, you can understand Asprova's fine function, flexibility, visual power,